Hello! Today we will take a look at how to perform a distance measurement on your InnoSight system. Here are the steps to perform a distance measurement. First, freeze the image. Measurement options appear in the control panel. Touch the distance button in the control panel to launch the first caliper. Press and hold while dragging your finger on the screen to position the caliper. Release to drop the first caliper in place. Press, hold, and drag to position the second caliper. Release to drop in place. Press and drag the yellow endpoints to edit the position of the endpoints. Drag the caliper endpoint to desired position and release to drop in place. Tap on the screen with 2 fingers or tap on Next Measurement to finalize. The yellow calipers turn green in color when the measurement is locked. The distance result value appears on the screen in green. The steps to perform an ellipse measurement. Tap on the Ellipse button to launch the first caliper for the ellipse measurement. Press and hold while dragging the first caliper into place. Release to drop in place. Press, hold, and drag to position the second caliper. Release to drop in place. Press and hold in the center of the measurement. Drag your finger perpendicular to the line between the 2 calipers in order to create the ellipse. Release to drop in place. Tap on the yellow measurement endpoints to edit the location of the endpoints. Tap with 2 fingers or tap on Next Measurement to finalize. The yellow calipers turn green. Area and circumference result values are shown in the top left corner of the imaging area. Steps to perform an angle measurement. Tap on the Angle button to launch the first caliper for the angle measurement. Press and hold while dragging the first caliper into position. Release to drop in place. Press, hold, and drag to position the second caliper. Release to drop in place. Press, hold, and drag to position the third caliper, which completes the angle measurement. Release to drop in place. The distance calipers between the first 2 points will turn green. Touch an endpoint to edit, or tap on the image screen with 2 fingers to finalize. The entire measurement turns green. The angle result is shown in the top left corner of the imaging area. Steps to perform a depth measurement. Touch the Depth button in the control panel to launch the depth caliper. Press, hold, and drag the caliper into position. Release to drop in place. The depth result value is shown in the top left corner of the imaging area. To erase measurement, touch Erase Mes in the control panel. Measurements are erased incrementally. The most recent is erased first. Thank you for watching this video on how to perform a distance measurement on your InnoSight system.